Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to my channel. Thanks for returning. Today I want to share with you how I make my simple and delicious no knead banana bread rolls, and I'm sure you love the recipe. So stay tuned to the end and be inspired. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and your girl will appreciate it. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. In a bowl, I'm adding my warm fresh whole milk. Next is my yeast, and then next my vanilla extract. Next, I'm going ahead to add my banana. Yeah, just one finger of banana. And this banana is so ripe and sweet, so I'll reduce the amount of sugar that I'll add to the bread rolls recipe. Okay. Now I'm using my hand masher to mash it until the banana is broken into smaller pieces. Okay, but I'll leave some bits in it. Next, I'm adding my sugar lovelies. And here we go. I'm going ahead to again mix and combine everything together nicely and beautifully. Yeah. Next, I'm adding my flour and salt to taste. Okay. I'll again mix everything together until well combined, just like so. Okay. For your own convenience, lovelies, I'll leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. Check it out and be inspired with the recipe, okay? Now I'm using my hand to do the proper mixing and we are almost done. So I'll just bring it out and I'll put the dough on a clean surface. But before that, I'm dusting it with some of the flour, as you all can see. Next, I'll place the dough on the work surface, as you all can see, and then I'll mold it to be smooth without kneading, okay? Lovelies, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share. Also, don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. Our dough is nicely molded. Next, into the bowl, I'm adding melted butter to grease it, okay? And I'll just put in the dough just like so. I'm going to cover the bowl up with my cling foam, as you all can see, and I'll leave this in a warm area for about an hour to double up. We are back and it has really tripled up here, guys. So lovelies, I'll just take off the cling foam just like so, and with my hand, I'm beating the air pocket out of the dough, and after that, I'll bring it out on the work surface. Then before that, I'll tidy up the work surface again, dust it with some of the flour, just like so, and I'll bring the dough back on the work surface, just like so, and I'll still use my hand to beat the air pocket out. And lovelies, I love how smooth the dough is, and it tastes great as well. Everything is so on point. So next, I'm dividing the dough into two, and in each half, I'll also divide it into four. Okay, lovelies, if it's your first time stumbling on this channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. Kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. And I'm so sure you will love it here. Okay. Next, I'm going ahead to mold each of the pieces of the dough into a round shape. I'll first pinch all the sizes together and I'll bring it into my left palm. And with my right palm on top of it, I'll just mold it into a circular motion until it's nice and smooth. You can as well start and end the whole process on the work surface and it's fine, okay? Next, in my baking dish, which I've already greased with butter, I'm adding the dough just like so. Beautiful. This is a simple and delicious recipe for your banana bread rolls. I love this. And my whole family love it too. Just check them out. Everything is so on point. Please like, share, comment on the video, okay? Next, I'm covering it with my cling foam again, and I'll leave it in a warm area for about 20 minutes for it to double up again, okay? So we are back after 20 minutes, and I'm taking off the cling foam, and this time around, I'll take it into my preheated oven for it to bake nicely. And ta-da! Our banana bread rolls are ready after 40 minutes. And now I'm adding butter on top of them for them to look nice and glossy. Lovelies, this recipe is amazing and a must try, okay? So next, I'm going to just bring the banana bread rolls out of the baking dish. And because I used butter to grease it, it was so easy to bring them out. Now let's check them out. Ooh, so hot and so nice. It's so delicious, lovelies. Don't just watch the video, but give this a try and thank me later. When bread is fresh from the oven like this, how it tastes and feels is so magical. Lovelies, I hope you've been inspired because I really enjoyed myself and I'm sure you love it too. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Mwah. Bye, y'all.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.